Okay, hello, I am James Daphne, this is the Epic Daphne. And yeah, so this is my Demolition series. And I have two series, the Team Deathmatch one and this one, yeah. So, let's try pulling this game up. And use this, alright, come on. We have to do it. Put your back and do it. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, what? Okay, come on. Have to pose. We're gonna have to pose. From up. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna mute these people so. Sorry for that noise, that is my mom. And that is my bro. Right. Headshot no scope. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh man, that was good. Right, so like my videos if you think I'm good. Yeah, I'm only on 2 kills, yo. Yo, so what? So, you need a friend home. Oh, no scope. I'm unbelievable at no scoping. Yeah, so like if you think I'm good. Like if you like it, like. You can hit it if you like. Hit it in the ass, tip it ass. Like. I don't know what I'm doing, but like my video. Oh, that was. I'm gonna go to no scope, huh? Right, come on. Please spawn there, baby. What this bad boy? Oh, what? Hey. Oh, where was he? I couldn't see him. Alright, we lost this round. We lost. Admit it. Admit it. We lost. Headshot again. No scope, man. Like, this gun is beast for no scopes. 3 no scopes I have this whole game. Oh, no scope, but he didn't die. Him marked that. Hit the marker for him. Okay, he's camping, man. Camper. What? Let the no scope not get him. How did the no scope not get him? That was probably a bad precision time. Oh, what? That does not have that much range. He well put range on the gun. How can he pwn me? How is he pwning me? Oh, what? What a bogey aim, man. Yes, come on. What? No! Come on, get to A, get to A, get to it. Get to it, get to it. Double kill. Oh. 4 more kills, we can do it. Not even first one, I can get 4 more kills. Oh, yes, what a nade! Oh, a new nade! Oh, give me the mystery. Talk about. Oh man, that chap down there is just pounding me. Oh, uh-huh. Just him and me pounding each other, even though I never told him once, but it's gonna move, it's not fair. Oh, come on. The tie. It's a fair game. Oh man, that Shrieker chap is trying to annoy me. Go on, Nate, go on, Nate, go on, Nate. Oh, just realized damn last second. Oh, that chap just burning holes out. Where's the nade? Yes. Yeah, right. Well, no. Yes, alright. Well, it's not our game. We're doing good. It's like that. Not much difference in us. We both have good people. Yes, you can see there are more better people. We have these people. I'm the worst on my game. Well, I'm not the worst, but like I haven't played it as much as them. I haven't played this game for like 9 months. So yeah, I might be a bit rusty. But come on, we have to pwn. It's just the name of the game. Oh, the name is mw3, but we have to pwn. Oh, ha. Just did not know what was going on there. Explosions everywhere. Yes. Oh, hit marker. Oh, no way was I getting out of the way of that. Yes. Yes, go on. Oh, I only got 1 kill? What was reproduction? Oh, yes. Let me plant it. That's enemy.
Oh, he died.
I actually love Hardline. Sorry for going so quiet, but oh, Hardline, man. I'm getting going. I'm like, oh, I knew I was getting killed there. Just knew it. It was hit marker and all, man. Yes. Double kill, man. Oh man, just pounding them all with that big rocket launcher, man. RPK, RPG or something. I don't know. I forget. I know it's really newbie thing to forget the name of a good gun, but I forget. Yeah. Right, 1 more kill and I get this fucking thing. Whatever it is. Okay. Oh, Jugnut. I'll get Jugnut next. Good. Oh man. Okay, come on. Sorry if I keep going silent, it's just like I'm so concentrating on the game. Not much on the commentary. So but yeah. So I'll try commentate more on the game instead of just going quiet. I know that's like what you want, like commentary guy, whatever. But I'm very. Oh no! Yes, got the Jugnut. Calling the position hardly as I'm airing. Oh, where is he? Oh, helicopter. Quick scoped. Where's that Jugnut from? Oh no! Oh, my Jugnut was so far out, I can't get it. Yes, boys. Oh. Right, this is actually a very pony game. I know I got killed the most times, but like, because I'm doing the most work, I'm going in trying to kill them all. While they're just backing out like a little bushers. Right, got it planted. They're getting it. Yeah! Lagabos. Yes, the Nate got a kill. Oh, got an assist with them, man. Oh man, they're pounding it up, man. Anybody come there, they can blow the hell up. They get blown the hell up. Oh. Oh, man, that's bad. That's very bad. Alright, 47, alright. We're gonna top it out. I'm gonna do some crazy business. Oh, got their chat. Oh, I'll try the no scope in there. As you can see, I am very good at no scoping. Like, kind of. Oh, quick scopes. Oh, I'm alright at the quick scopes. I'm better at no scoping. I nearly have 50 deaths, man. Oh, that is bad. Oh, girls might be watching this, but man. Oh, what a kill. Nice. What did he throw at me, but. Oh, he's good, he's good, he's good. Oh, Osprey, I'm getting in shelter. Oh man, why can't I get any more kills? I'm doing alright, but like 53 deaths. Man, I'm just like risking it all. Oh, what was that? Oh. Oh no. Right, I think we lost. I think we lost. Oh, where am I getting shot? Oh, get in, get in. Oh, we lost that round. Alright, please don't lose connection. Alright, so. In a while! Alright, so. In a minute! Oh, I'm recording. And yeah, that was just, sorry, people are asking what's going on, but yeah, so, is the game finished? Is it finished? I don't know. Let's check. Right, the game is finished. Oh, new emblem. Nice. Right, so, yeah, leave you there. This was James Gaffney, this is the Epic Gaffney, and see you later.